How to top up with doctorSIM app. doctorSIM is your perfect ally to quickly and safely send phone balance to any country in the world. Just follow these simple steps. Log into the doctorSIM app and select the Top Up Now option. If you wish, you can also purchase gift cards. Select the prefix of the country to which you want to send the recharge and enter the phone number. If you wish, you can select the My Contacts option to send balance to a contact in your address book. Select the network carrier you want to send the recharge to. Select the type of service and the amount to be refilled. Don't forget to double-check your top-up details. Enter your email so that you can receive confirmation of the recharge. Or click on Facebook or Google to proceed to payment. Finally, choose your favorite secure payment method, and that's it. Have you seen how easy and fast it is? Also, if you are registered with doctorSIM, you can earn credits that you can use for future recharges. Enter doctorsim.com and send your recharge.